Hi friends. Rotary in Mumbai, called as District 3141, is one of the premier Rotary districts in the world. And Rotary Year 2021 is a vision year with District Governor Sunil Mehra at the helm of affairs. In this year, many new initiatives have been introduced to create a difference in the society and also to make Rotary seen. In this year, we started a novel concept called as Biz Talks, an initiative to support Rotarians to support Rotary. Friends, Biz Talks is a hot from oven initiative to create more bonding and proximity amongst Rotarians on personal, Rotary and professional fronts. In these interviews, we speak to visionary Rotarians who, by virtue of their selfless work towards the community, have reached important decisive positions, and their actions today will help Rotary to do more and make a difference in the community. I am your host, Dr. Manish Motwani, a laparoscopic weight loss surgeon and also the Chief Coordinator for Rotary District 3141 in the year 2021. Our guest for the day, friends, is a Rotarian with more than a decade of experience in Rotary, a Rotarian from one of the most illustrious clubs in District 3141. Yes, friends, it's Rotarian Girija Deshpande from Rotary Club of Bombay Powai. By classification, she's into leadership coaching and training. She feels a mere cog in the wheel, no more, no less, insignificant yet significant. A person with a positive attitude, determined, and would never give up until she has got something right. She's a public person, a hard worker, enjoys challenges, and a very organized person. Friends, with this short introduction, I present before you our very close friend, Rotarian Girija Deshpande.
Hello. Thank you so much for this beautiful introduction, Manish. Thank you.
Girija, it's a pleasure to have you with us on this talk show. It's somewhat awkward speaking to you on this talk show because you are a trainer, you are a leadership coach, and to take an interview of a person who's already self-motivated, self-inspired, confident, it's a bit difficult task. But yes, this Biz Talks is about this. Biz Talks is about letting many people know something about you. And getting you here on this talk show today is going to serve various purposes. It is going to serve one main purpose, that your motivation and your confidence is going to be transferred to so many others who are going to be listening to this show. So I would again like to thank you so much for being here on Biz Talks. And with your consent, I would like to move ahead.
Please, it is a wonderful experience. Thank you. Go ahead.
Great. Girija, I know you so well, I know Deepak so well, we've been closely bonded since so many years, we've been working together. But there are hundreds and thousands of people who will be listening to this show, and they would like to know something about you as a person and something about your family life.
Okay. I was born in the tip of India, which is Nagarkoil, near Kanyakumari district. My education until graduation, that is in English literature, took place in Nagarkoil. Then afterwards, I came to Mumbai and I completed my post-graduation and also several other diplomas, degrees, MBAs, everything happened in Mumbai. I met Deepak while I was working in L&T Institute of Technology. We both worked together for about 4.5 years there. We realized that we loved each other. And I said, let us still, go away and then know if we really love each other. So I left the organization just to check if it is true. And then after a year, we got married. And now we have completed 25 years. It's an amazing experience.
So this is like a fairy tale.
He's a wonderful person.
Yes. I know Deepak so well. He's a wonderful person. And I'm sure that he would have swept you off your feet the first time you all have met. And
yes,
this is the typical story of...
He sang his way to the heart. Yes.
This is a typical story that you can hear in movies. But yes, you all stood the test of time. You all passed the test of time. And you all came out together. And this bond has been seen as always a happy couple over so many years. That's such a lovely thing to happen. Tell me something more about your family life.
Yeah, we have 2 daughters and a son. So both the daughters have completed engineering, and they are settled in the United States, working there. One is working with Amdocs, and another that is with AT&T, and another one is working with in California. One is in Chicago, and both of them are doing very well. Yeah.
Fantastic. So this is
And then I have a son. We have a son who is here in Mumbai. He has done his communication design course, and he is working in the area of digital communication.
fantastic. So you are a lovely, very close-knit family, despite your family, your children being outside. I think so. The type of bonding you all share is amazing, and we know a lot about you and your family, and we know how much you all are closely bonded with each other. Now, Girija, this was about your personal life, but the one more purpose of this WizBiz Talks is that we want Rotarians who have been bonded to each other through Rotary work or through personal friendships now to be bonded with each other even in business and profession. So we would like you to say something about your work, your profession, so that many other people can get associated to you for their work professional aspect, and we will also come to know what you can do through your profession or vocation for Rotary.
Wonderful. I offer leadership coaching. I offer soft skills training. So I run a company called DG Consulting. So we offer training in the area of soft skills, say whether it is leadership styles or conflict management, business writing skills, interpersonal communication, and winning presentation skills. These are the topics for which I'm known throughout India. I travel pan-India and conduct these trainings. So I have clients who have been with me for the last 15 years. So it is purely spread by word of mouth, and clients who have been with me have stayed with me. And even this year, the global grant that we were able to execute with CSR has come from Borosil Glassworks, with whom I've been the training partner for the last 15 years. So this year, I gave up, I took a sabbatical, and then I started, with this year in Rotary, I said, I will give 24/7, 365 days to Rotary, 1 year of my life. And so that is why I did not go back to work. Next year, probably, I will go back. Borosil has been missing me, and I've been missing them too.
So, Girija, this is what we've been knowing about you since long. You're a person who's so much ethical, so much with integrity, and so transparent in your thoughts. And you've been working tirelessly, and now you're taking a sabbatical because you feel Rotary deserves more time from you. It's something really worth appreciating. And also know that you have taken up a very important position in the coming year. You are the assistant trainer for Rotary District 3141 in the year 2021.
Yes.
We've had multiple training programs in the past few months, right from pre-PEDS to PEDS to DTA, club trainers training program, and various other training program where you all have been associated, and you all have been playing a very important role. I'm sure this year you are also aware that in 2021, the assistant trainers work doesn't stop on the 1st of July 2020. The assistant trainers job, in fact, starts that time where you have to be working little more.
Yes.
So let us know something about what you plan to do in the year 2021, and how would you like to influence the presidents and the clubs to perform better and reach the level that we have thought for them.
No, Rotary International is itself by a great learning resource. So I would like that every Rotarian goes to my Rotary, go to Rotary and studies Rotary International. And there are so many chapters over there, learning resources. If people read through them, it inculcates the sense of responsibility that one should develop. And also the various policies of Rotary. People who are there in Rotary for several years work because what tells them is a sense, not because they exactly know what the policies are. Because people have not been so very technically savvy. But now, COVID world has made people technically savvy. Necessity is the mother of invention. So I think we must use this time and make people log into Rotary.org and go along with them and see that they read every chapter, have interactive sessions, And that is how every club, every member will feel that he is a part of Rotary. That pride, that sense of belonging, that we need to cultivate in every Rotarian. And that training people can do it.
Fantastic. So this is what your aim and goal is for the year 2. And
Absolutely.
Girija, I would also like to at the same time appreciate the efforts that you all have taken. Zoom has come now, and COVID has come now, but we all used to be working since September for pre-PEDs
Yes.
on Zoom, and we really utilized every aspect of it. And it was a
Thoroughly
very
enjoyed
fun
it.
experience the way you, Sunil Haribal, Vinay Kulkarni, Mohan Joshi, under the leadership of past District Governor Shashi Sharma and Sunil Mehra, all of us together, how we used to sit from hours and hours in the night from 9 o'clock to 12 o'clock, just working on the methods that we have to use for effective pre-PEDs, effective PEDs, effective DTA. And with your support and your guidance and your involvement and participation, we've been able to do such 3-4 big major events, and we have not met physically for any of the training preparations. We have done everything online. So this
Absolutely.
is what innovation we've done, luckily because of people like you, luckily because of people like Sunil Haribal and Vinay Kulkarni, who have brought this new era of online training and inculcated that into our minds also. Girija, you've been just fantastic in what you have said. Your thoughts are so clear. I'm sure with your mere presence, there will be so many clubs who would be wanting to do better. This program is also going to be heard by so many non-Rotarians, and I'm 100% sure just by listening to your ideas and knowing that these type of people are there in Rotary, there will be so many other people who will be wanting to join Rotary. And if we can make a bit of difference after this interview through the things that I have said, I feel, and you would also feel, that this talk show was super successful. Thank you so much, Girija, for your presence here. You were just wonderful, and I've enjoyed every moment of it. Hope you also liked it too. And thank you once again for your presence here.
My pleasure and privilege, Manish, to work with you. Thank you so much for every word that you've said. I'll treasure it. Thank you.
Thank you so much.